Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to summon Excel. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's jump into the tutorial. Well, the first case is to position ourselves here in the cell closest to what we want to add. You will type total here next to it. We position ourselves here again. You will go to Home, AutoSum. And here, press Enter. Now, to do it faster in all the other rows, we must do the following. Click on this cell and drag to the bottom. The same thing here. Choose the row to add and press Enter. That's all. If you found the video useful, leave me a like. Thanks.